Hey guys, I'm Nick. Today we are not doing a recipe video. There are so many things happening this year on this channel. I thought it'd be a good idea to do a video and update you on all the fun, exciting things that are coming and that are happening right now on the Scran Line. Now, last year I wanted to make 2020 all about trying new and different things on this channel. And so I've been working on stuff in the last couple months that I'm super excited to let you guys know about this year. I can't tell you what they are right now, but I can't wait until they're actually finished and I can show them to you guys. I can give you a hint on one of those things. I'm working on a super duper exciting, super secret project with Elise from My Cupcake Addiction. I know that a lot of you guys watching right now know who she is, and if you don't, go and check out her channel on YouTube and subscribe to her. Her and I have been friends for a while, and we decided to do something fun that we've been working on for a little while, a couple of weeks now, and we're going to be releasing it this year. I can't wait for you guys to know what that is, but if you've got any guesses on what that is, leave them in the comments down below. I'd be interested to see what you guys think it is. Now, the very first thing that I actually want to update you guys on is this just crazy disaster of a website that I have right now. So all of my recipes actually live on my website, and the current website is still up and working. I had to take a lot of the recipes down that are on that website. I can't explain why I needed to do that, but it had something to do with the website builder that I'm using. Long story short, the website builder that I'm using is absolutely horrible. So the revamp that was planned on being finished this year in January 2020 is going to be late. And that is because I'm not revamping the website anymore. I'm rebuilding the website. So I'm hopping over to another platform and rebuilding the website. I've hired a website developer and he and I are working on a brand new website. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's going to be coming out around February, March. I know that's much later than I told you guys it would be. The current website is still up, so you can still use it, but there are still recipes missing from that website. So if there are any recipes that you guys are after and you can't get them on the website that's up right now, email me at this email address and I will email back the recipe for you guys. Okay, one of the super duper exciting things that happened last year, which I teased in one of my community posts here on YouTube, was that we got a new puppy. So we have a new puppy. His name is Oscar. He is a spoodle and he's about to turn 6 months old. He's down there. Should I get him for you guys? Oh, you get him. Aww. So this is Oscar, and he was just having a little rest before I picked him up. So he's a 5-month-old spoodle. He turns 6 months in a couple of weeks' time, and we are going to be, he doesn't know yet. He is absolutely gorgeous. He is just the best dog ever. I think I need to put him down, but if you guys want to see any videos with Oscar, maybe some Cupcakes or something, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make more videos with Oscar. I did film a puppy haul video right before we got him, like months ago, and I just didn't put it up. So if you guys want to see that, I can upload it. Let me know in the comments down below. And that's it. So that is Oscar. The next thing I wanted to chat about with you guys was this is one of the last times you're going to be seeing me in this kitchen, because I have a brand new kitchen this year. We are going to be moving shortly, and the next month or so is going to be the last time you see this kitchen on this channel. I'm not sad to say goodbye to this kitchen because I've completely outgrown it. And the new kitchen, guys, is phenomenal. It's so beautiful and I can't wait for you guys to see it. If you guys want to see a house tour or a brand new house tour and a new kitchen tour, If you want to see that on this channel, leave your comment down below letting me know, and I might film one of those videos. We've got 2 more exciting announcements. So the second last announcement is I am going to be creating a new series on this channel. I used to upload 2 videos a week on my YouTube channel, and I stopped doing that because a couple of years ago I started working on a book which has since come out. That was one of the exciting things I got to do last year. Creating a book was a lot of fun. It was super duper challenging, and I would never make a book the way that I made it the first time. I learned a lot making this book. One of the things I learned was that it takes me away from actually creating content for you guys and uploading consistently. So creating that book made my videos on this channel suffer a little bit in terms of uploading consistently and how many videos I could upload. So I'm going to be creating a new series which I'm going to be uploading or putting out every Wednesday. So it's going to be called Vintage Scran Line. So what it is there are a lot of videos on this channel that you guys might have not seen before, or you've watched once and kind of forgotten about. So these videos are going to be a selection of your favorite videos and my favorite videos that I've uploaded before. And I'm going to re-upload them, and maybe instead of showing the old voiceover stuff of me looking super skinny, I'm going to be re-voiceovering these videos and kind of freshening them up. Now, one of the things I'm also going to be doing is re-filming some of those old videos. If there are any older recipes that you guys love or you think need to be re-updated, then let me know in the comments down below, because I'm going to start doing that. So that is going to be called Vintage Scran Line. It's going to be up on this YouTube channel every Wednesday. The very last thing I wanted to update you guys on was the return of cupcakes. So I kind of put a pause on making cupcakes on the Scran Line for about 6 months. I was shopping in a supermarket about 6 months ago, and I kind of thought to myself, I'm so sick of making cupcakes. So I kind of took a pause and started exploring other dessert recipe videos, and you guys have been really loving those as well. So I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying those. But I think I'm ready to start making cupcakes again. I have lots of really exciting ideas for them, and recipe flavors and designs that I want to try out again. So I actually started filming my very first cupcake video today, which is going to be coming up in about a month's time. So cupcakes are coming back, macarons are coming back, cakes have always been around, but I'll still be uploading those as well. But I'll still be uploading stuff that isn't cupcakes, cakes, and macarons. So trifles and Swiss rolls and lots of different desserts. So if you have any recipe suggestions of things you want to see me make on this channel, please leave them in the comments down below. Guys, I am so excited for 2020, so I hope you guys are excited as me. If you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon so you're notified when there's a new video. And I will see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.